You know, never did I think that I would need to make a video for putting a spare tire in the TLX Type S. If you saw in my last video that I did for the spare, and I had a full-size spare, pretty straightforward, put the wheel in, put the cover on, done, right? Well, this time I actually ordered the full spare tire kit. I thought it would just be the wheel, the tire, the cover, etc. It's like a ton of things. And all of these are going to go in here. I have 6 pages of directions for this that you need to have a socket for and a ratchet. So taking a look at some of this, we can start with the basic stuff. There's a caution label that needs to go on the wheel, a label that needs to go on the battery holder, which is a brand new bracket, and then we're going to start affixing it to everything else. But one of the first things that it has you do is remove the floorboard using 2 clips. You don't need to do this, and I'll show you why. And I think I can even do this one-handed. Now I have this, which is going to make this easier, but this doesn't necessarily mean that you need this in order to have this little hack work. But you're going to basically fold this over, and then you're going to pivot it up and have it rest right there. Now you have full access without having to remove those clips back there, which can be a pain. Here we go.